The markets page is the global overview most TradingView users walk past every single day. It shows the entire financial world just on one page, and here's how to utilize it. First, open up a new tab on TradingView. The way you do this is pretty simple. Just head over to the top and click the plus button. You'll be on this screen, but you won't see the market symbol here. What you have to do is go to the bottom right, click on individual tools, and then scroll down, go to markets, and then star it. Once you've done that, simply click on markets. Now, the markets page is organized into sections. You can see we start with indices, but let's go down and you'll see a toolbar pop up on the top. You can see that it starts with US stocks, world stocks, crypto, futures, forex, and so on. So let's go through them. Let's scroll through US stocks first. You can see that you just got the whole overview in one page. Now we're on world stocks. Let's go to crypto, futures, forex, government bonds, corporate bonds, ETFs, and economic indicators. Awesome. Now, let's go back to the top. You'll notice that there's a symbol next to all these charts. It's called Get Widget. Click here. TradingView makes the market tab super customizable. Simply go to the widgets tab, click on any of these sections, and all you have to do is apply the widget that you want onto the markets page. It's a great way to customize it and get your daily overview every day. Have a great day, guys.